गुड आफ्टरनून माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स। आज आपका एक बार फिर से स्वागत है आपके अपने यूट्यूब चैनल गुरुदेव केमिकल इंजीनियरिंग में। और मेरा नाम है हेमंत अहिरवार। अगर ये वीडियो आपको अच्छा लगे तो उसको लाइक करिए, सब्सक्राइब करिए और अपने फ्रेंड के साथ शेयर कीजिए। और इस वीडियो के लास्ट तक बने रहें और ये वीडियो पूरा देखें। तो जैसा कि पिछली वीडियोस में हम पढ़ चुके थे डिफरेंट टाइप्स के इम्प्योरिटीज जो कि क्रूड ऑयल में प्रेजेंट होती हैं, और इस वीडियो में हम पढ़ेंगे बिटुमिन ब्लोइंग यूनिट के बारे में, जो कि एक इम्पॉर्टेंट यूनिट है और एक वेस्ट से हम यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट बना सकते हैं। तो चलिए हम देखते हैं जो हम अपने सिलेबस में पढ़ेंगे बिटुमिन ब्लोइंग यूनिट के बारे में। So first we will be discuss about the definition of the bitumen. Now we will be cover up the types of the bitumen like bitumen, cutback bitumen, emulsion, tar. And next is properties of the bitumen like soluble, formation, grade, bituminous modifier. And now second is the desirable properties like mixing proper, stability. Stability means the viscosity, interlocking property, bituminous binders, and the adhesion. And next also we will discuss about the test which is be used in the laboratory like penetration test, viscosity test, ductility test, softening point test, specific gravity test, flash point and fire point test, loss on heating test, stability solubility test, spot test, water content test. So these are tests we will be discussed later. So now also we will discuss about the pitch and the types of the pitch and bitumen emulsion. Now second is cut back bitumen, and also we will know about the tar, and we will know about the bitumen, difference between the bitumen and the tar, and some of the important tests like the Marshall stability test, Wien stabiliometer test, and the Harvard field test, super pave mixing design method, and also know about the difference between the asphalt versus bitumen, and also know how to calculate the quantity of the asphalt which is used in making road. So we will cover up these topics in our video, so please watch. So let's start our video. So we will be cover up the new unit, that is bitumen blowing unit. So BB stands for the bitumen blowing unit. So what is bitumen? Bitumen is nothing. It is a binder. It is a binder material that contains asphalt. So it is a binding material that contains the asphalt. So also it is also known as mineral oil. And it is also known as the mineral oil. It is formed. So we will discuss about the formation of bitumen. So basically there are the two types of the formation of the bitumen. First is naturally and second is artificially or man-made. So basically naturally bitumen that occurred from the nature, and artificially that are using the natural bitumen to produce the artificial bitumen. So natural bitumen basically contains the impurities, and man-made or the artificial bitumen are pure bitumen. So basically there is the formation of the bitumen that are naturally and artificially. Naturally bitumen contains a lot of the impurities, and artificially bitumen are pure bitumen because we are removing the impurities during the process. So this is the formation of the bitumen. Now we will discuss more about the bitumen. So basically bitumen are present in the solid state or maybe semi-solid or its color is maybe brown or black, that contains carbon 87%, hydrogen 11%, and oxygen 2%. So it is a basic composition of the bitumen. So bitumen is nothing but it is a binder material that contains the asphalt, and it is also known as the mineral oil that are present in the solid state or maybe in the semi-solid state, and its color is brown, black, or it contains the 87% carbon and 11% hydrogen and 2% oxygen. So it was the brief about the bitumen. Now we will be discuss about the feed product of the bitumen blowing unit. So our feed is and product. So before we discussing about the feed or product, we should have to be know about the basic or general block diagram of the unit. So suppose CDU, that bottom product is short residue. So its short residue is a feed of the vacuum distillation unit, and vacuum distillation unit or its bottom product, that is vacuum residue, it is a feed of the bitumen blowing unit, or SR may also be feed as a bitumen blowing unit. That depends on the desirable product or demand. So that is feed of bitumen blowing unit. So our feed is vacuum residue, that is VR, or short residue. So this is our feed. Now product is we are using to generate the bitumen by using the air blowing process, because different types of the process are useful to generate the bitumen, but we are using the air blowing process to generate the bitumen. So our product is air basically that contains the oxygen. So it is oxidized vacuum residue, or and that is also called bitumen. So that is bitumen our product. In the foreign countries there are the pupils also said bitumen called asphalts. So we will be now discuss about the difference between the asphalt or the bitumen. So basically we will be discuss about the asphalt and bitumen. So basically asphalt contains, it is composition is the mixture of sand, aggregate dust, bitumen, or etc. So basically it is composition is sand, aggregates, dust, bitumen, that addition by the bitumen, or we can say the aggregate. This is the aggregate that binded by the bitumen. So this application is making the road, or in the waterproofing, or maybe used in the drain and drain gutters, or etc. These are the use of the bitumen. So first, basically, that is composition is the composition or mixture of the sand, aggregate, dust and bitumen. And bitumen is, we have discussed, it is a binder agent. So basically it is a binder agent. So now we will discuss the second point. Its density is kg per meter cube, and its density is 1050 kg per meter cube. Or it is also contains a poisonous agent, that is a polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbon, that is a hazardous for our health. So that's why it's or we can say its boiling point is 525 degree Celsius, or it is temperature, it contains the temperature about 150 to 180 degree Celsius. So basically there is a difference between the bitumen and the and asphalt. So basically asphalt contains this types of the material, and that is a light as compared to the asphalt. Its density is more, its density is less, and its boiling point is high. So now we will be discuss about the types of the bitumen. So basically bitumen, first is emulsion bitumen, now second is blow bitumen, now third is straight run bitumen, and fourth is plastic bitumen, and fifth is basically cut back bitumen. So these are the general 5 types of the bitumen, that is emulsion bitumen, blow bitumen, straight run bitumen, cut back bitumen and plastic bitumen. So we will be discuss about deep in the next videos. Now it's a basic type. So we will discuss about the grade of bitumen. So basically there are the 3 types or the 3 grade of the bitumen are applicable in present. So first VG 30, VG 40 and VG 60. So basically VG, where VG stands for the viscosity grade. So viscosity grade, that relation between the viscosity grade and the penetration, and penetration is nothing but it is a test that we will be discuss in the next video. That so the relation between viscosity and penetration. So penetration is inversely proportional to the viscosity. So this is the basic relation between the viscosity grade and the penetration. So according to their viscosity grade, we are using the bitumen in the different places, in the airport, or making the road in cities or airport roads, or many more uses of the bitumen. So इस वीडियो में इतना ही, और नेक्स्ट वीडियो में हम बिटुमिन के डिफरेंट टेस्ट के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. तो इस वीडियो में इतना ही, एंड थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग वीडियो. इफ यू लाइक माय वीडियो देन सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स.